Oh lordy, my dog's in the background eating so loudly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Neo of AhhhsoNeo, and I have a new bag today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Neo of AhhhsoNeo, and I finally picked up a new bag. You know, I shouldn't say finally, because yesterday when I was filming this, I filmed this before, and then my husband was in the room and he said to me, "Another new bag? What do you do with these?" Which I thought was kind of funny. Anyway, I said, I wear them. Anyway, hi, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm sure you figured out I'm already a chatterbox, but it's all in good fun, so hit the subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back, and we are just going to get into it because I picked up the mini Coach Tabby. Now, if you have been here before, you also know that I love the Coach, and I'm always buying some of their new items. Look, it's still all hooked up together. And I don't have a big Coach collection, but I've picked up a few pieces along the way. So I'll actually put my Coach collection video here so you can take a look. But you know, I fell for the hype because I watched Amy Elizabeth's video of the Coach, the full-size pillow Tabby, and then I think the mini Tabby, and then I had to just get it. I just had to get it. So I did. I picked up a little itty-bitty mini. Sorry. I've actually been using my Coach Cassie 19. So a little quick comparison to the size, just to give you an idea of how mini the mini is. You guys like that? Still on the floor, still months later. It's been like 5 months now, still not hung up. It's the way we roll in this household. Anyway, focus. Back to the Coach mini, and I think really what I wanted to say, I'll insert video of me here when I did my unboxing, which my husband talked all the way through it. So we'll just do some video here of that. All right, guys, so I unboxed this yesterday. The tag is still on there, and I've kind of just been looking at it for the last quite a few days now, and just looking at it. I think it's adorable. I think it's absolutely friggin' adorable. This was $3.95 US and $5.50 Canadian dollars. I did have a 20% off coupon to Saks, and so I did get it at a discount, 20% off. And yeah, I did buy it through Saks, and I panic bought it because everywhere else it was sold out. It sold out on the Coach website, and Saks had this color, and I just went for it. But so I've been looking at it, and I've really kind of just been wondering if this was a YouTube made me buy it, you know. I had not seen this in real life. Let me do this real quick. And that's what it looks like on. I had not seen this in real life. Like I said, I watched Amy Elizabeth's video and another gentleman, and I don't remember his name, but I watched his video too, and I felt like I needed to have a Coach pillow in my life. And then I wasn't sure though, because I felt like these were gonna start flapping up, the tips here. But Amy, I asked her that question. I was like, do you feel like the flaps are gonna start coming up like this? And she felt pretty confident that they had not on hers. I think she said she hadn't used it yet, but I mean, it's really, really cute and adorable. And I will do like what fits in here, because it's adorable. But I guess my hesitancy, since that's a popular word these days, is that I just wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it. And I think really maybe the main thing is the color. I kind of feel like I don't need another Coach bag in this particular color. White bags as a general rule scare me. Hello, brown gorgeous skin, brown foundation, white handbag. Seems like a bad idea. So I have to be careful. But I don't know, I just kind of feel underwhelmed. I thought I was gonna open this and like scream and immediately put my stuff in it and pull the tags off and try to figure out when I was gonna wear this, where I was going. Not that I'm going anywhere, but I just kind of took it out and put it there and just looked at it like, was this really $400? And don't get me wrong, I'll spend money on a bag. If you've been here before, you know this. But it just kind of underwhelmed me. I think I was really expecting more. I love the mushiness. I don't really like this padded handle, and you know, I'm not really much of a crossbody girl, but I think maybe I should have gone with the biggest size, you know. So I'm really probably going to return this because as cute as it is, that's all it is. It just feels cute. Maybe I'm just too old for cute. Like, I almost see myself giving this to my daughter, and she's 12, and I think it would be perfectly her style. Not that I'm in the habit of buying my daughter $400 purses, so yeah, no. But you know, it feels very teeny bopperish to me. Yeah, I'm really just, yeah. So this will probably go back to Saks. I do think though that I want to try the bigger size. I do think the full size looks like it might just be a little less teenagerism for me and more like an actual bag. But I just feel like I fell for the trend. YouTube made me buy it, and even though I love the concept and it is soft and squishy and mushy, but how many times do you really go around town squishing your purse? I never do that. I really don't. So yeah, I love it. I love the idea. I think it's really cute, but is it for me personally? No. And I do blame this purchase on Amy Elizabeth. I wish I'd gotten the big green one like she has. That one is really adorable, but I just can't find the color anymore. So I'm gonna have to, you know, start trawling the Coach outlet stores where I live and hope I can find one. Maybe even the orange. I think this mini came out in gray as well, and I thought that looked really cute. But honestly, for me, and just, it's okay. Is it, you know, I'm just like, it's okay. And I want to love it. I really thought I was going to take it out the box and be like, yes, and just be really excited. And it's okay. I can see why people love it though. I can see why people love it. If I do find one in a different color, I'll, you know, probably be like, okay, eat your words, tramp, go get it, because it really is cute. It really is cute. I think really just the color's bugging me. But yeah, no, I'm just ambivalent. It's adorable, it's cute. It's just not for me. And that happens sometimes, right? Which is why stores have fabulous return policies. Lesson learned, try to see it in real life first before you buy something. Haven't we all been there? I mean, it's like, I think that's one of the reasons why I hate limited edition things and you're forced to buy them sight unseen because you're so afraid it's gonna sell out if you don't. And then you get it and you're like, yeah. Actually, I have a video on a Louis Vuitton purse that I did that for it, and I'll link that up here as well, where I bought the Louis Vuitton, the giant monogram, something, the pink and red one, and then I took it out the box. I was like, no, that definitely had to go back because that was a lot of money. But yeah, I don't know. So let's see. Maybe I might keep it, but right now I'm really leaning more towards the, not for me, really cute, gorgeous bag. Does feel lovely and squishy and wonderful. But yeah, I'm a little underwhelmed. Yeah. Although, I mean, I personally feel like Coach is on a bender lately, and I love what they come up with. And this is really one of my most well-used bags, which is the Coach Cassie 19 with the pink and green. And I'm currently using this bag, and I love it. I love Coach. Don't get me wrong. I love Coach. I just don't like this one in this color. Watch this space though. Maybe I'll get one in. But thanks you guys so much for watching. Remember what I always say in my videos, we have to. You gotta choose happiness, guys. It's the only way to be. It's the only way to live. And it's a decision you get to make every minute. So make the right decision for you. Choose happiness. Thanks so much for watching.